This is the video that can really make you rich in 2024. So now it's the time to see something even more important. How to make your first $1,000 online for free. All you need is the right affiliate link and the right way to promote it. You don't need your own product and you don't need your own website. If you're finding this helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more tips. My name is Victor, and step number 1 is to find the right products to promote, either by going over to chatgpt.com and by entering this prompt, which says make a list of 5 product categories I can promote as an affiliate and make sure that they're trending right now. And here we go. These are the trending products today that I can start promoting. Or the other option is to use a tool like ColoData, but this one is not free, and that's going to show me products that are selling in that category. Step number 2, you can then go over to kit.co to build your own store with these products. So you can just click on the plus icon over here and you can click on Create a new kit from scratch. Now I'm going to call it this One Tech Gadgets, and I'm going to click Next, and we're again going to go back and see what those products are that we want to promote. So we want to promote this portable projector. So I'm going to go back to kit.co, search for that product. And a really cool thing about this is that it literally finds it across different websites, and you can include it in your own store with just one press of a button, and you earn affiliate commissions from these platforms. So now I added this product, but let's go back. We have ChatGPT telling us that we should promote air fryers. So I'm going to go here, search for air fryers, and here we go. A few of them. I'm going to add this one as an example, add to kit. Let's see what else do they want us to promote. So perhaps we can find this one as well. And you want to make sure that you have at least 5 to 10 products in your store to make it worth it, so that when someone lands on your website or on your kit.co link, you actually have something for them to purchase. And now I'm going to add this product as well. And when you're done, you can just click on a view kit, and that's going to show you how it looks. So someone can come to here and they can buy all these products, and that will be earning commissions. Step number 3. Now I've been using this AI tool called DubDub to create faceless AI content that promotes these products across different social media platforms. So when you click the link in the description box down below, you can create an account for free and you can access all of their AI features. First of all, we're going to go to AI writing to start off with our video, and then you can use these title frameworks. So I'm going to use this title framework, Top 5 Reasons Why You Need Particular Product Right Now. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to delete everything from here, going to paste the title, and I can also ask AI to write this. Now my video is going to be about air fryers, and I needed to write a TikTok video script. And this one is going to be about top 5 reasons you need air fryer right now. And now, as you can see, AI wrote the entire script for my video. Next, we want to click on Create AI Avatar from this. And you have 3 different options. You can either choose a photo avatar, gesture avatar, or AI image. Now we can select a voiceover on the right-hand side. You can also choose a different voiceover if you don't like that one. Then just click on Generate Talking Avatar, and now we simply need to wait until DubDub processes this video. In the meantime, there are 3 different platforms where you can post these AI videos to make money online with affiliate marketing. The first one is going to be TikTok. Besides that, DubDub also offers AI voiceovers, transcriptions, video translation, and video editing itself. Now that my AI avatar is ready, I can preview that with one press of a button, and I can make further edits by clicking on Edit button over here. You can then go over to Pexels.com where you can find copyright-free videos and download photos of that product that you're trying to promote. So we can include them in the video itself. So if we go back to DubDub, we can select the aspect ratio to be 9:16, can then also generate AI subtitles with one press of a button that would show up throughout the entire video to make the video itself a little bit more engaging. Then you just want to add as much B-roll as possible, combine it with the AI avatar in the background, and when you're done editing, just click to export and export this to your computer. For the settings, make sure to select 1080p MP4 file and click Export. Now if you go back to your Kitco store, just click on these 3 dots. Click on Copy Link to Share. Go back to your TikTok account and click on Edit Profile. Now you just need to add that link in your bio so that when people are watching these TikToks, they can click the link to purchase these products. Besides TikTok, I've also seen a lot of people do these things on Pinterest as well. To create your own pin, you just have to click on the plus icon on the left-hand side, add a title, and right here where it says add a link, just paste your Kitco link. Once you're done, just click publish. Now keep in mind that if you only post one TikTok and one Pinterest pin, you're probably not going to get much results. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you found it useful, please help this channel grow, show some love, because I promise you the more love you give, the more value I will be providing. I have some crazy ideas about upcoming videos,